In this video, we will show you how to manage and archive emails in OpenKM. In this example, there are two folders, Import and Notifications, where we import emails from an email account. When importing emails, OpenKM catalogs them by date, year, month, and day. When we select an email, we can access all the related information, including the original email format. We can also use the search engine to search for emails. In this example, we will search only for emails by content. As we can see, the system displays a list of results. We can open one of the emails, preview it, and check that the email matches the search performed. OpenKM provides me with a workspace specifically for email management. In this workspace, we can perform more specific tasks, such as searches based on criteria applicable to emails. These search fields can be used simultaneously. For example, we can filter by the sender and subject, choose to view emails with attachments, or choose the number of results we want to display. To import emails from an email account, we click on the Email Accounts menu and add a new email account by filling out the form. This way, we can manage as many email accounts as we want. On the right, we see the data for each email account. In Filters, we can determine the email import path in OpenKM. In this case, emails from this account are stored in the Import and Notifications folders. Additionally, we can apply rules to each filter. The rules are used to define the criteria for filtering the emails. In this example, the sender's email address. In Messages, we see the list of emails from this account. We can select the emails individually or in bulk, even manually import emails. Regardless, OpenKM automatically imports emails. The import can be done from the Microsoft Outlook client. We use the OpenKM plugin for Outlook. First, we check the connection. Then select one or more emails and click the Import button. A pop-up window appears, giving us access to the document manager, specifically to the folders set up for email import, and we click the Upload button. In the import configuration, we can add metadata to the emails. We can check that the imported email appears if we access the document manager. We go back to Outlook, select another email, click the Import button, choose the import path, and, this time, click the Group button. We upload the email, and in OpenKM, we can check how the email has been saved and organized by year, month, and day. For more information or any questions, feel free to contact us through our website form or via our social media.